Yes, good morning, boy.
Good morning, bro.
Last day seeing this view for the morning. Last day in Dubrovnik and still waiting on this guy.
To be fair, apologies for technical difficulties. But it was 10:30. I spent like 5 minutes on it.
We said we were supposed to be before that. I said 9:30.
Again, waiting on this guy. Same scenario from yesterday.
Maybe next time we should say like 6:30.
Maybe we already like some.
Caballero, way out. It's been good. You've been good to us.
Is this yours?
Jay!
Everyone's in the car.
Where's their key? They put it on the table.
So we're leaving behind. There you go. Gang, 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 gang. Yo, let me know when you need to swap, yeah?
You can ask, you can tell them 6 to 7.
Caballero, way out. Our next trip to Zadar.
We got 7 hours of sleep.
Oh yeah, you got 7 hours of sleep.
We're arriving at 5 p.m. It's 10 something.
I've never had a longer.
So you're telling me you're just gonna sleep straight away?
You joke. Rise and shine. Pee break. Anyone for a pee?
Yep.
Well.
We need some mute for this guy. What's gonna? You stole last night before. You stole last night.
Nice sleep though, eh?
I'm recording.
Nice sleep though.
No shit. Huh?
Nice sleep though.
Yeah, that was nice. Oh, nice. You were snoring when I was.
Yeah. So a bit of just a pit stop. Everyone needs to stretch and just need the toilet. So let me see.
Oh, look, it's my barbecue. It's like this.
Admiring his old company's work. Could have designed it better though, isn't it? It's very basic right here. Level 1, chisel and hammer.
Level 1 CPU. There's a lot. Cover down. Bob number C.
Driver change.
Léger pass. Léger passé. Léger passé. Then you get beer.
What does that mean?
You're beautiful.
Yeah. Je sais pas si.
We've been trying to learn pickup lines. That's all we've been trying to learn. That's the one phrase that's been ingrained in our mind.
Je sais pas si.
Oh no, we left Aaron again.
Don't leave AA wrong.
Why is this camera just pointed right at me? Can you turn it?
You turn it?
It's on you, isn't it?
Turn it? No, turn it. On the road, basically.
Oh, on the road.
Did you tell the camera Jay that we're swapping?
Very descriptive, isn't it?
Very descriptive. That you miss.
Oh, someone's gonna have to.
Properly.
I can't reach
You
it.
can. Look at this. Filming. We're off the side now.
How do you turn it?
Why are you struggling?
I don't know how to use one of these, bro.
Bruh,
I'm learning on my own.
cameraman.
No, I'm not, man. I'm a writer, bro.
You're fired. Oh my god, let me do it. Jay, I'm not wearing a seatbelt.
Yeah, look there, right? What's wrong? Like, it's fine. I was gonna put it there. Were you?
left out the sunglasses there.
I'm good.
Shouldn't it be like in an angle so you get like a wider perspective? There you go, there.
Mr. Filmmaker.
Oh, that's now I'm saying.
I thought you were a writer.
Yeah.
Food break.
Squad out.
Just got to
Croatia
this.
gang. Croatia gang. Squad gang.
We just stopped at a mall looking for.
Oh, look white there.
You look white.
We're about 2 hours and a half away from the destination. Just gonna grab some food before we head out. We're in a mall. Ooh, it smells like SM. It smells like SM. Oh, Kev, please. You're thinking about it. You're thinking about it. So this is an insight of what Croatian malls look like. Look at this tough guy had a fight yesterday. Flex it. Flex.
No, you gotta focus in.
Give me flex. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Show us the.
The guy had a fight with the Adriatic Sea, so this is.
Hey, mine's worse.
Look at that. We have to zoom into that.
What a brave man.
He survived that yesterday. That was just amazing.
Lee, that's nothing. Hit the rock, you know. After a jump. Little boo boo. Such a brave man.
He's trying to work out what 114 kunas is in pounds. It's been like 5 minutes already. Like, I don't know what.
Wow. It is worth. That's what I said. No, it's. Is it? No.
14 pounds.
Is it not? How much is it? Like 50 pounds. I was close enough, bro. Yo.
Why are you laughing at me?
Is that cheap?
14 pounds for that?
Yeah.
Yes. 20 pints. Yes.
How much?
No.
No money, no money, no money. I see it now. I see the gates.
Turn right, then you have reached your
Yeah, I see the
destination.
gates. It's this one. It's this one. Yeah, that's where we're staying. The pool is there. I see it already. Not this one. It's this one.
No, but then I can't.
There's a person in there.
It's a girl. It's Tina.
It's Villa Tina. There's
Jadran. It's Jadran.
It's a girl, dude.
It's Jadran.
Right, we're gonna try and light up a fire.
Oh, you're recording. Welcome to the gun show. Oh shit, you're hard. Yo, the lighting looks sick. Yeah. Sick lighting looks. Shit, pasa.
Hi, vlog. You're on the left side of the bed.
Never mind. I'll snore whatever.
What a thing
Why
to
if I
say.
put my face in a pillow? Will that do anything?
No,
Joking.
lay on your back.
Dude.
I mean, lay on your front.
Okay. That was one night I snored bad.
That was you laying in your front.
I'll give you a smack if you're snoring.
Dude,
That will
I
wake you up.
tried that. I'm like, shut the fuck up, dude.
I just went.
He talked in his sleep too, you know.
I remember that.
There's an extra bed in your room, right? I'll fucking
No.
jump in there, man.
Oh, so
yeah.
You
can join in if you
If it gets, if I can't bear it anymore.
It's okay. I'll jump in Jason's. Oh wait, Kevin's already in there.
No, they have two separate
Well,
beds.
Jason's a single bed, but he's still going.
Jason, single?
Yes, boy.
Single bed.
Me and you.
I'll be the bed.
Yeah, fire.
We did. It's day 3. We discovered fire. I think we can be able to eat.
My English was after 3 days, yeah? After 3 days. 3 days of starvation.
After 3 days of starvation, I think we're making progress.
Trying to get this fire going. Did pretty well actually. Not bad. It's getting there. It's getting there. The amber's in.
Oh,
It cooks with
hey Jay! Oh, wait, volleyball!
Everyone's chilling.
Yeah, Lee, thank you for taking out your shoulder.
I think it's whoever's in my team wins.
Okay. Lee, can you be the net? Yeah.
Just a quick dip to cool off. Back to work.
Jason, mag-ingat ka, baka mapasok ka. Baka mapasok ka,
Holy shit! You're like Olaf. No, not Olaf. The other Olaf.
They look like an absolute snack.
You look like a snack.
That's how real men do it. I swear the soul guy did it.
Don't you dare drop that on my toe. I've lost a nail. I don't want to lose a toe.
You lost a nail.
That's why we have travel insurance.
Not for a stone, man.
I don't pay if I have travel insurance.
Would they put that back in?
No, I don't want to.
Just pick it up, Jay. Just put it back in for you.
I'll actually cover the change.
Don't you have to.
Found a new outfit. OOTD.
Oh,
OTN.
Onions, right?
OTTN, bro.
I was gonna make the sauce salad.
We can have chilled filling.
Look how. Oh, sorry. Look how we sorted out the table. It's very aesthetics.
Go on, boy. Go on.
What, you don't know?
I'm watching you do it.
Alright.
Use your hands.
What do you mean is here?
Oh, it's about
Memory?
Is it cooked?
Can I taste it?
Mmm. 10 out of 10. We'll eat again.
Ciao.
Ciao, bellissima.
Bellissimo.
Yeah, we got still got all these to go through. Ooh, that looks very aesthetic, please.
Just one bowl of chicken.
Walk up now. Huh? Walk up now.
Change shifts.
You get the egg on. I get the. You know.
Jay, it's hot. It's too hot, Jay. It's too hot.
You're joking.
You put it in.
What did you do?
He's flexing on the camera.
1, 2, 3.
Throw it in the middle, yeah?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
That looks sick.